In this presentation, we will explore the essential prerequisites for diving into Guidewire ClaimCenter. Think of it like packing your backpack before a journey. From understanding insurance basics to getting comfortable with some tech skills, we'll cover it all. If you're ready to check off these key points with a smile, let's get started. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Understanding insurance is like grasping the rules of a game before playing. In this slide, we'll briefly touch on what insurance does and its importance in society. Consider it your foundation. A little knowledge here makes navigating the ClaimCenter a lot easier. Don't worry, no pop quiz at the end of this one. Property and casualty insurance sounds fancy, but it's just about protecting homes, cars, and businesses. This slide breaks it down into bite-sized pieces. We'll look at the key terms and concepts you need to know to feel confident navigating the ClaimCenter. Think of it as putting P and C into plain language. The claim processing lifecycle is like a story with a beginning, middle, and end. In this slide, we'll discuss how claims are initiated, assessed, and processed to closure. Once you understand these steps, working in the ClaimCenter becomes a breeze, or at least a smaller storm. Guidewire Suite is like a family of siblings, each with their own strengths. PolicyCenter handles policies, BillingCenter takes care of payments, and ClaimCenter is where the action happens, managing claims. This slide gives a quick introduction to the trio to get you started. No sibling rivalries here. Java is the backbone of many technologies, including Guidewire. If you've ever felt like coding is a foreign language, think of this slide as your translator. With a focus on practical applications, we'll highlight why knowing Java is a big plus for ClaimCenter development. Object-oriented programming isn't as intimidating as it sounds. Promise. This slide will take you through the basics of OOP and why it's central to Guidewire's design. Think of it as learning the building blocks to assemble something amazing. And yes, a dash of humor to keep it fun. XML and JSON may sound like a secret code, but they're simpler than they look. In this slide, we'll show you how they are used in ClaimCenter and why understanding them can save you time and maybe a headache or two. Let's decode this mystery together. APIs are like the connectors of the tech world. They make systems talk to each other. This slide will demystify APIs and web services in Guidewire ClaimCenter. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this is your guide to understanding the tech glue. All right, folks, let's dive into Guidewire configuration and integration. It's like setting up the perfect playlist. You need the right tracks, components, good transitions, integration, and a user-friendly interface. Configuring workflows and rules ensures the system runs smoothly, like a well-orchestrated concert. And of course, integrating Guidewire with other systems makes sure we don't miss a beat. Gosu is the secret sauce behind Guidewire. Think of it as the language that makes it all tick. Just like cooking, you need the right ingredients, syntax, loops, and functions. Master these basics, and you'll be whipping up efficient code like a pro. And don't worry, no mysterious programming wizardry required. Just a dash of logic and a sprinkle of best practices. ClaimCenter's data model is like the blueprint of a skyscraper, solid, structured, and built for efficiency. Understanding its entities and relationships helps in navigating the claims process smoothly. Data persistence ensures information is stored properly, while optimizing queries is like choosing the fastest elevator to get where you need to be. Welcome to Guidewire Studio, your playground for configuration and development. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit. Navigating the interface is like finding the perfect workspace. Debugging is solving little mysteries, and testing makes sure everything works before going live. Efficiency is key. So let's make Guidewire Studio your best friend. Agile is all about flexibility and teamwork. Think of it as the secret sauce behind successful software projects. Scrum and Kanban help teams work smarter, not harder, by breaking tasks into manageable chunks. And let's not forget continuous integration, ensuring updates roll out seamlessly. Agile isn't just a methodology. It's a mindset that keeps you ahead of the curve. Guidewire certifications, they're like a golden ticket for your career. Whether you're deep diving into ClaimCenter or sharpening your skills with training programs, there's something for everyone. Online courses and hands-on labs make learning engaging. No snooze-worthy lectures here. And let's be real, adding certifications to your resume is like adding extra cheese to a pizza. Always a win. And that's a wrap. We've covered the essentials to set you on the path to mastering Guidewire ClaimCenter. Staying up to date keeps you competitive, and trust me, insurance tech is a thrilling space to be in. Keep learning, keep growing, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be leading the next big innovation in this field. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.